what are some of the trends and things you see in the near future for artificial intelligence and machine learning, Johan? Some interesting things that are happening right now.
So I guess what's been going on in the past 5 years or so, I guess, is the kind of deep learning revolution. That's certainly going to continue, but I think it's kind of past the peak. It's stagnated a bit. There's still lots of progress, but I don't think we'll see self-driving cars anytime soon out on the roads. It showed loads of progress, but in the past year, it's kind of, people were dying, and turns out that it's quite difficult, actually. That said, the whole fancy deep learning AI stuff you see about in the news is rarely what you need as a business. It's the classical machine learning workhorses that are far simpler to use is usually what you want to start with, at least. So that doesn't necessarily have impact on most businesses. What will continue, which is the other trend, when I started with this in 2012, it was very difficult. You need to have your own massive machines to run this on. Then everything moved to the cloud. All the different cloud providers have very mature, easy to use systems that are, I think that's just going to continue to become more easy to integrate and to get started. Now, anyone, if you know what to do, can just pay Amazon or Google or Microsoft it's quite cheap, actually. And you get access to all kinds of stuff on the cloud. But you still need to know how to connect all these pieces. And that's something that's going to continue the development of making that easier to just use as an end user.
Cool. Thanks. We also have